Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how I put the finish coat onto a corner bead. So in my previous video I showed you how to put the corner bead on, how to put the first coat of topping mud on, and now I'm going to show you how to put the finish coat on. So just for this video I'm just going to finish coat from about there to about here. And like I talked about with that previous video, the flat joint, you're going to want to either rough sand it or scrape it, just get any high stuff off. So scraping it will suffice for now, but ideally you want to sand it. So again, locate the concave side of the knife, grab some mud. So the finish coat, you especially want a nice thin mud. It's almost impossible to put on a nice thin finish coat with a mud that's a thick consistency. Okay, so you just put the knife like that, a little finger pressure there, run the knife down. So you'll start with that sort of pass, and now we're going to bring it out further, because on a finish coat you always want to overlap your previous coat for a good quality finish. Okay, so I got that. Now because I have a little bit of OCD, I want to straighten that line out. So I'm going to grab a little bit of mud on the edge of the knife, plant it there, and then I'm just going to run a nice straight line. Okay, so this next part is pretty simple. We just want to take the mud off, just right off, because you don't need a lot of mud on a finish coat. You just want to be smoothing it out and making it easy to sand. So like I talked about on the flat joint, when finish coating, when you want to take the mud off, instead of having the knife parallel with the wall, you want to bring it up to this angle. And when I'm taking mud off a vertical surface, if I were to take it off on a down swipe, it would make all the mud fall on the floor. So I want to be catching the mud as I'm taking it off, so I'll work from bottom to upwards. Okay, so I'll start with the edge. You can go down a little bit. But mostly you'd want to be doing an upstroke. And that's about it. So you're gonna let that dry and then sand it. Okay, here's one other little tip. Sometimes, depending on if your corner bead, when you installed it, if it was a little lopsided, sometimes you can get a side where it needs more mud put in. So a good way to check is put your knife on there and then look down at it. And if you see an excessive amount of light coming through the straight edge there against the corner, then you know that you need to add more mud. So I don't see anything there that bothers me, so that's all finished. Let that dry, and then we're on to the sanding in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching.